Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Friday. We're at the 18th of August, 2023, and here we sit now at about 8:10 a.m. Central Time. There are no major U.S. economic data reports due out today, okay? So it's all going to be the minor stuff that we get. The problem is the market is still rocking and reeling. August is turning out to be a horrendous month for the risk takers. We're seeing the mega caps, I'm talking the mega tech stocks actually, they are all under pressure. And if they start rolling, that idea that Goldman had that we are no longer buying the dip, but you are selling the rally, probably right on the money. I'm watching what's going on in the energy markets. They have to be hurting because of China. And speaking of China, Evergrande filed a Chapter 15. I've never heard of that, but I'm not a tax expert. A Chapter 15 bankruptcy petition in the United States, which stops U.S. creditors from going after the assets here while they restructure. And you heard the word restructure. So this is the first of many things. How they succeed? Well, if you're big enough, you actually force the creditors. What happens is they do write-downs, they change the terms of the payments, maybe the interest rate, all kinds of clever things because you don't want to lose everything that you've lent out to somebody. And in size, with assets behind it, that's often what takes place. So I understand what's going on. The shadow banking is only going to get worse there. I was reading a story today about electronic vehicles there. You might want to read it yourself. I think it was Reuters. I'm not sure. It's either Reuters or Bloomberg. And they're showing you parking lots filled now with weeds of cars that were the first generation of the electric cars built. That maybe they had 60, 70-mile ranges of electric cars, and they were primarily for in-town taxi cabs. No need for them. And what do you do with them? You got to crush them. That's basically it. So we'll see what goes on there. But that's what technology does. How many of us have old computers in our house? Throw them away. Old hard drives. You got it all. I started putting my stuff up on eBay and it's selling. In the foreign currency market, the dollar, a little bit of a correction. I think that you're going to find willing buyers under the 103 level here. In the euro, I wouldn't be surprised if you get a rally a bit more than this, that you find sellers in the 109.5 zone probably. In the copper market, just stable is all you can say. Silver market still has a bearish embedded reading, so I'm still in the bear camp there. In the grain markets, overdue for a bounce. And, you know, you could get this corn market back up into the 520 area maybe, if it can get there. And I think you'd find willing sellers at that price. Always stay away at this time of the year. That's what I tell people from the wheat market. It moves 40, 50 cents at a shot, and that's a lot of money if you get wrong. Bean market giving a little bit of a rally here. Sugar market, I was completely wrong this week. I thought sugar was going to drop, but I didn't expect the rally that it had yesterday, which it totally failed on. Now today, we're getting a small, I want to use this very carefully word, a small bounce in an overall bearish market. You tried the 119.28 level, you gave it up. Take a look at Bitcoin. These are not misprints. This market is come unglued. It's hit some downside targets already. Doesn't mean it can't go lower. The market was hoping that Grayscale was about to get some type of SEC approval for, I think it was an Ether coin. Nothing so far has come, nor a denial. So we don't know where that's all at. Now, talking about interest rates, I want you to remember that I have a special report out there for you. And that special report covers a lot of territory. First, it's about trends, charts. I show you both the daily and the weekly charts. I obviously give you commentary. I'm going to take you through the price counts as to where the bonds might be headed. I'm going to give you the 5, the 15, and the 30-year seasonals. Put it all together, try to show you what I'm seeing in the market. And I think it's important. You know, we did this about a week and a half ago with the stock market, and boy, has that turned out to be a good report in retrospect. So that one was there. Now what do I think on this? My reports don't stay up long. They have 3 business day duration by my design. Doesn't mean what I talk about has yet to occur. I want you to look at it. I want you to look at it now, or I don't care if you don't look at it. It's your call. If you want to see the report, it will go off the board by Monday. I don't know what time Monday, but it's done. So go now, iraepstein.com, under the word research, or move your cursor up here, give it a click. That is the other way that you see the report. I'm getting ready to publish other reports. I'll probably get another one out next week as well. So this is going to be a regular event, and they're only up 3 days at a time. I think they're super important. There's certainly things I believe in, and I think that I'm probably open your eye up when you see a price count, seasonal trends, the weekly charts, and the daily all come together for a trade idea. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up of what took place, and maybe we'll start talking then about the weekly charts, which I normally do over the weekend. You take care.